plants. Plants, they can be movable as well as immovable. So depending on it, excise duty will be charged. Machines, they can be movable as well as immovable. I hope you all are understanding. So firstly I want you all to copy this much, then we'll move on ahead and then we'll revise the entire theory, because I want you all to have my theory, then only it will be easy for me to understand you all, make you all understand what I'm trying to teach you all with my easy format. So please firstly pause the video and copy it down. I hope you all have copied this much. Please underline movable. This example was for movable. Now we will study about marketable, but first copy it down this much. I hope you all have copied this much. Now let's move on to marketable, examples of marketable. Example of marketable. Firstly, we'll see what marketable means. Marketable means capable of being sold in the market. Sold in the market. It has the separate identity, name and market. It should be for the final consumption of the consumers. It should be capable of being sold in its entire life. I hope you have understood. First, marketable means capable of being sold in the market. That means it should be something that can be sold in the market. Like for example, a torch body. Have you ever heard a torch body can be sold in the market? You can either get an entire torch or you cannot get the torch body. You can get a mobile phone's body but not a torch body. So mobile phone's body is marketable. It has its identity, name and a market, but the torch body does not have an identity as well as name and a market. I hope you all have understood. I'll give the example about the torch and the mobile battery. First, let us understand the meaning of marketable. Marketable means capable of being sold in the market. It has a separate identity, name and market. It should be for the final consumption of the consumers. It should be capable of being sold in its entire life. Okay, hope this is clear. Torch body is not marketable, as not available in the market, but mobile bodies are available in the market. I hope this much is clear. Please copy down marketable first. I hope you all have copied. So now let us understand it again. Basic condition of excise duty. Excise duty will be liable if it is gem of India. This all four conditions should be fulfilled. All four conditions should be fulfilled, then only excise duty will be levied. Hope this is clear. That means excise duty will be levied if there is any manufacturing of goods and such goods are excisable and such manufacturing is done in India, then only on such goods the excise duty will be charged. Excise duty will be charged where? Excise duty will be charged at the gate of the factory when the goods are moving out of the factory. Who will be liable to pay the excise duty? Excise duty will be liable to be paid by the manufacturer. Exceptional case when purchaser has to pay the excise duty. When molasses are purchased from the manufacturer, the purchaser has to pay the excise duty rather than manufacturer. We have to assume the purchaser as he is the manufacturer, but only when molasses are produced in Khansari sugar factory. Molasses are, why molasses specifically exceptional case? Because molasses are used in production of alcohol, so that's why for that purpose, if you have removed the page number 1.25 in the study material, there you can see molasses used in the production of other commodity. So other commodity means liquor, okay, alcohol. So this is clear. I hope this is quite clear. This is quite self-explanatory. I don't need to explain you much about that. Excise duty will be liable, again I am telling, excise duty will be liable if it is gem of India, goods manufactured in India and such goods are excisable. Okay, I hope this is clear. And excise duty will be paid at the gate of the factory when the goods are moving out of the factory, and such excise duty will be paid by the manufacturer of the goods. But goods means as per SOGA section 2 subsection 7, goods means any kind of movable property. This section 2 subsection 7 is not at all important. Just for your understanding, what does goods means, I have written goods should be movable and marketable. Movable, land not movable, so excise duty will not be levied. Building not movable, so excise duty will not be levied. Plants, they can be moved as well as immovable, movable as well as immovable. Machines, they can be movable as well as immovable. So depending on that, excise duty will be liable, will be levied or will not be levied. Okay. Marketable. Marketable means capable of being sold in the market. It has the separate identity, name and the market. It means good. Good should, I am again for in place of it I am telling good. Good should be for the final consumption of the consumer. Good should be capable of being sold in the entire life. So that's why I have written it over there. Torch body example. This is the example. Torch body is not marketable as not available in the market, but mobile bodies are available in the market. So excise duty will be levied if all the four conditions are satisfied. Okay, see, I have written over here in this manner, but when this all the four things I will be completing, then I will be giving you a complete definition. Whenever if it is asked in the question how to present, you can't present in this manner, so I will give you a paragraph, and then when I will be giving that, please note it down. But let me complete excisable, manufacture and India. India, we have to also understand what India means. You know what India means, but there is something more that you should know what India means. We know only India 29 states now including Telangana, but we don't consider water, but we have to consider water for excise duty purpose. That I'll be teaching when I'll be teaching you all India. So now we have completed goods. Now we'll move on to excisable. What does excisable means? So I hope you all have copied this much. If not, please pause the video and copy it right now. I hope you all have copied. If anything you have not copied, please rewind the video and copy it. Excisable. Excisable. What does excisable means? as per CETA, which means Central Excise and Tariff Act.